Greetings, welcome to a quick tutorial for Cisco Skills for All, a free online tech course. A lot of tech courses. But what we're going to go through is what we need for our course, how to get set up, and how to get set up with the packet tracer. So those big things. And again, if you're just looking at how to use it and what it is, well, this is Cisco's Skills for All. So it's free, as I mentioned, so you can go in there, click login, sign up. Most of you will just end up using Google, so create your account and you can log in with Google, or again you can create a regular account. But once you're all signed up, you'll get in here. Now I've already added these classes, but for this course we're focusing on the Junior Cybersecurity Analyst, and particularly we're going to start with Network Basics, Network Defense, and Endpoint Security. Now you can search for entities by just typing in those names, or you can go to Explore, get the Junior Cybersecurity Analyst, and we are going to do most of the material in these three things. So almost half of the material in this course. Now there is, as I was mentioning, a Cisco Packet Tracer program that you are going to need. So we'll also go over how to install that. But for now, right, you at least get these three on there, and if you're just figuring out how to use this, whatever else you might want to add, and if you need to search for anything, so like the Packet Tracer, you can go getting started with Packet Tracer and search any of those. When you do that, you'll be able to enroll in the course. I've already enrolled, so I'll just go ahead and open it, and then you can go open up the download piece, work your way down to the actual download. It'll take you to another page, and you'll be able to download whatever version that you need. Now mine's already downloaded, so I will just go ahead and grab that real quick. So once you have the Packet Tracer, it'll install just like anything else. I'll also show you how to open up one of them, but hopefully most of you don't know how to install stuff. You'll just run through the pieces just like any other install. My admin prompt just popped up if that didn't show up, and then again, just wherever you need to save it. Pretty much you're just going to do all the basics, start it getting installed. And while it's doing that, just a reminder, remember this is all free. You can go in there, get it. You can do this all by yourself. All the materials, all the links, all the downloads, all of the labs, everything's in there and in here as well for you to download and go through all the activities. So again, we'll kind of show you one of them once this gets fully installed. I'll kind of show you how to get one up and just kind of see how it's going through. But again, like a lot of things, the key to this is just, playing around with the stuff, right? Like can't possibly show you every single piece of information on here, right? So we got the Skills for All. You'll need to do this. Because again, this is why you need to go ahead and do the Skills for All first. So that way it already popped up, figure out that I have an account, and now I'm in, right? So again, let's create the account first, download it. Normally to download it, you got to get through anyway. I'm sure there's other ways to get it. But from here, you can open up what they call these different PKAs, PKZs, and as I was saying, lots of downloads. And this is just an example of what it has. It has all of this scenario set up, all of this information, and it walks you through it, right? It gives you all the stuff you need to kind of walk through the steps, learn how it is in this virtual environment. A lot of them will have questions that you'll need to answer on a separate form, but it walks you through and it has where those questions are. And there might be added, if you're doing this for my course, screenshots. So you can come in here and actually screenshot this piece. You can print screen, screenshot, snipping tool, whatever you need. But real quickly, again, you just can click on things. There's different pieces that you can actually go in and wire. I mean, there's a lot of detail to this. So make sure you pay attention to the scenario as you go through. Again, I'm not going to show you every little piece. The directions are clear. You might have to dig or look or whatever, but it says click on home, so you click on home, right? And you might have to go find the piece of where this is. So again, this is what it looks like. It's important to understand that you're reading the directions, you follow along, and I can't show you every single scenario, right? You got to find whatever they're looking at. It'll give you a bunch of different things that you can play around with, change. So with that, that's all I really had for this video. I just wanted to kind of get you started in Cisco Skills for All, the packet tracer, how to get things uploaded to it, and then make sure that you